The 2024 KTM 300XC is set to take the open category back to school. An all-new closed cartridge spring fork and cross-country specific suspension settings handed the trophy in the handling stakes, while massive power from an engine weighing only 52.6 pounds sets the benchmark when it comes to power-to-weight ratios. Maximum power at the least possible weight, amplified by low maintenance costs and smooth, linear power delivery. Unmatched performance. More usable power. This 300cc two-stroke powerhouse brings a new choice of weapon to the open category and provides more choice for racers looking for maximum power at the least possible weight. Fuel injection. With electronic fuel injection setting the standard, there's no more jetting setup pre-race, and thanks to the Kahan EFI, the AQ coming from Vitesco. Airbox. The airbox is designed with precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation, ensuring maximum airflow and maximum filter protection. Selectable maps plus TC. The 2024 KTM 300XC features a map select switch as standard, allowing the racer to switch between two perceptible engine maps. Fuel tank. A 2.37-gallon polythene fuel tank incorporates a threaded filler cap and an integrated fuel pump. Frame design 25CRM04 steel central tube frame. Front fork. 48mm WPXACT suspension. The fork is also fully adjustable in rebound and compression, thanks to hand-adjustable clickers on the bottom of the fork shoe and fork top cap. Rear suspension WPXACT monoshock with linkage. The rear shock features less overall length and less weight compared to the previous generation but retains its 300mm travel. Ergonomics. The 2024 KTM XC and XCF range features a specially developed rider triangle, providing unmatched knee contact and gripping surfaces, especially when standing on the pegs. While the plastics work to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions, the flat seat profile and high-grip orange seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control. A handy grip pocket under the seat, just above the airbox, makes gripping the bike and lifting it much easier.